On October 15, 2025, in Perry County, Illinois, police walked into a home damage call with no confirmed dollar value. I've seen many of these, but this one asks a tighter question. When does anger inside a home become evidence?
What's going on?
The fucking dumb cunt. I want her arrested.
Okay, what happened?
Well, because she thinks she's this big bad badass. She took that pipe right here.
Mm-hmm.
They busted the fuck out of my air conditioner when I she went in my house. And then to back here, where she has no business being.
Rewind. Hold on, rewind. I lived with her for a couple weeks.
She shredded all her shit.
When I moved, I started moving my stuff yesterday, which is in the backyard that she tore all the fuck up too.
Yeah.
And she messaged me about a TV that she sold to the girl's, at the time, husband, which is no longer her husband. Well, he told me to move his shit out too. Okay? So I brought the TV with me. And so she was complaining that I stole her TV. And came over here with it and got this bar or whatever and beat the fucking air conditioner, tore up all my shit in the backyard.
What did she tear up in the back?
I mean, well,
She's talking great shit now.
Well, because when I come over here, I said, I hope you're going to pay for that shit. And she turned around and started calling me names, and she ran.
I want her arrested for that too.
Yeah, the door was unlocked.
That's how my fucking air conditioner's busted the fuck front.
Yeah, she had
She
to.
right big, huh?
Because when I got over here, she was coming out the front door.
Oh my god.
And she ran that way, and then she got in her car and took off like a bat out of hell. And she was calling me names. I said, bitch, I said, what the fuck are you doing over here?
And who is it?
Macy Christian.
Macy Christian?
I know, this is what, you have been on duty for a while?
I don't know. I don't recognize that
You
name.
want to go back to McDonald's?
No, I'm
She took over
good.
her vehicle. Her boyfriend's over there. He's not supposed to be in Perry County, so he's hiding in the house.
I bet you're like, damn, I need to go back to McDonald's. Fuck that shit.
4 from 11. We're walking to the back side of the property.
I mean, I had all this stuff stacked up on the concrete part of the back porch.
Yeah, she tossed all her shit out here. Because she tried to break the back door, and she couldn't get in the back
Yeah,
door.
Yeah. Cable.
I'm fucking freaking out. And then you have my dog, your dog in there fucking here. I don't know. All I know is if she doesn't go to jail, there's people sitting right here. They obviously doing this. Both of us will be going if she don't go to jail. If she wants to talk shit and text me, okay, bitch, I got you. I'm home now.
What did she say on text?
She's fucking talking shit. I said, why'd you come to my house and bust my shit? My cat's out too. And she's like, I bought that TV. No, she didn't. The TV that they're talking about is I traded it to her ex-husband. And yet when she was getting her shit to move out, we grabbed it. A couple people.
Okay. What's going on? What up?
I don't know who the girl was. A little skinny girl. He said she had pink hair.
Looked like she had pink hair.
She came around that corner. I don't know if she's beating on the window or what. She came around.
I chased her.
Oh, did you? Okay.
She's Macy that lives over here.
I see. She was ripping garbage bags up, throwing stuff all over the yard, and
Took a pile of clothes, right? She had clothes with her, yeah.
Okay. So now she stole my stuff.
Okay, I got it. You come home now.
she had like a decent pile, I'd say.
Really?
So she took clothes and went back that way, and then seen you guys show up.
Gotcha.
Because I was outside and I heard
just
something like
burning.
metal hitting. I'm like, what the fuck?
We were burning trash over
And I went over
here.
and I
Watched
saw
it all go down.
her.
Yeah.
I'm like, what the fuck are you doing?
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
And then she turned around me all tripping out with balls or something. She's calling me names. I said, I hope you're going to pay for this shit. And she got in her car and took off. And I called Ashley. I said, I'm already over here. Because they were at Walmart.
Who's
when that
already
happened.
in? Ashley and...
It was, what had happened was when I moved my stuff out of there, I took the TV that was her ex-husband's, and she tried to say I stole her TV. And she hadn't even talked to me, though. She talked to everybody but me about it. And then came over here and then done all this chaos over here while we were at Walmart.
Antonio's in Perry
Like,
County,
this happened
so-
back to back. Like, exactly how I just said it did.
And you guys saw her drive away?
Yeah, because she ran from me because I chased her. And I said, where the fuck are you going? I said, get back over here. And she said, fuck you, whore. And I'm like, oh, okay.
I don't know if that
I got
camera
you.
works, but that camera should have got a pretty good video.
That camera works and the other camera works in my
You should
front.
get perfect video because she was ripping up.
Does
the
it- can you
garbage
rewind
out
it?
the door.
I can pull that.
But she left with a stack of clothes from back here.
She ripped the sacks up and was throwing it, and then
she went in my house and fucking busted the fucking whole front end of my air conditioner.
Yeah, because the door was open, and I know she came from that way when I came over here.
she had at least 12, I'd say at least 10 to 12 items.
But she broke the metal pipe in half, whatever the pipe she used.
Now, it's for once she's finally gonna go to jail, or do I have to go in there and stab her ass like she started fucking Montana and she didn't go to jail?
Oh, she's going to
Because
jail.
if y'all don't take her, you're gonna take us both by the
She
end of
just
the night.
left with my stuff. She's going to jail.
You don't come in my house. My fucking dog's shaking and fucking terrified.
I really don't know how to do
My air conditioner's busted the front.
Can you show me your AC?
And I can't get no fucking truck.
Are you the one that initially called?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what she used.
This pipe here.
Sorry, I'm feeling pissed.
No, I
This
get
wasn't
it.
my drama. I let her say, this is all for her.
So where were you at when
I
she
was
first
at
came
Walmart.
in? At Walmart when this was all happening?
Sorry, I'm not trying to get and be mad. I work hard for my shit.
Yeah.
And for some petty ass crack whore, also, yeah, like that, she came in my house. And I have a fucking emotional support dog now that's fucking shaking to death.
Was Jate here when she came in? Like, was anyone else in here with her?
No. Amy, because somebody called me and said that she was messing with the windows. So I called Amy and told her to come over here. And that's when Amy pushed her out, I guess got her out of my house. Because there's no reason she should be in my house.
Gotcha.
Period.
Gotcha. It's pretty damaged, the AC unit. She hasn't got the footage yet.
That camera would be at their door.
What am I doing?
You got the cameras working?
Well, the front one is, that's what I'm about to say. It's on? Yeah. This is what she used, because I picked it up. What time was that?
She had this together, but it just came apart when she swung. I mean, I don't know why she ran. She kept trying to hit me with But I would.
Well, yeah, because no, it's not. Oh my god. Don't be dumb. Well, she's like, she just said something. I said, I'm home now. Come on, bitch. Let's see what you got.
Is she back? Did she come back home?
411 from city or status.
Because she got in the car and took off like a bad
Sure.
idea.
We know they're going back for the course.
Actually, we'll take the cops down that way, not over here.
I didn't bring them down here.
Because they were over here this morning, over here.
Actually, it's most definitely going to her.
I am pressing charges. And then if she don't go tonight, I'm going to whoop her fucking ass for both to go to jail. Oh well. I can handle jail, 'cause she.
I'm going to get you a statement form. I'll be right back.
Come on.
Please, what do we have? Criminal damage.
Criminal damage. I mean, you can't do the
Trespassing, probably.
Yeah, but the door is unlocked and
Yeah, then they can walk into the house.
I know, but
I'll still do trespassing. They can walk if they want. Trespass to a residence.
And disorderly for the clothes in the back.
Yeah.
So trespass, criminal damage, and disorderly.
There's a couple trespasses. One of them knowing a resident.
Someone called saying that she was over there, and that's when she checked the camera, seeing that she was there, came back, and then the heavier set girl on this right tried to follow her and say, "Hey bitch, where you going?" Got in the car and took off.
Yeah, 720 ILCS BOD 19. That's entering without authority. The person commits criminal trespass to residence when they knowingly enter or remain in residence without permission. And you got criminal damage.
And disorderly.
And disorderly though.
For the clothes.
Were they out there?
Well, I haven't seen the camera clothes yet.
Or did she take some things?
Yeah, she said she also took things, I mean, I guess stuff. Yeah. What was hers and what's not. We'll do the criminal damage and trespass. Yeah, we'll at least do two. Yeah. You able to get the cameras?
Illinois law does not punish emotion alone. It punishes conduct that fits a defined offense. Human thinking says the resident sounded scared and violated. The counter-argument is that police still needed proof, not just urgency, before building a case. Under Terry versus Ohio, officers could briefly investigate, inspect damage, and sort present facts from old conflict. The air conditioner pipe clothes, witnesses, and possible video mattered because probable cause depends on specific facts, not the loudest voice. Illinois criminal damage to property law is the cleanest fit. The question is whether Macy Christian knowingly damaged property belonging to someone else. Human thinking may focus on the television dispute. The counter-argument is simple. Ownership conflict does not excuse breaking property. Illinois criminal trespass to a residence law also matters. An unlocked door does not equal permission to enter. Human thinking says no forced entry makes the case softer. The counter-argument is that unlawful entry can exist even when the door opens easily.
I ain't gonna stand before because I signed something out. Y'all didn't do a goddamn thing.
All right. If you don't want to sign it, you don't want to make a statement, then
When Tony bust out my window, y'all didn't do nothing. You were telling me not to do shit now either.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna
Okay,
do.
but later tonight you're here and I go to fucking jail. You can kiss my ass.
There's three
Okay.
people standing back here that said
Yeah,
they
that has
witnessed
witnesses.
this
Are
girl.
you kidding me?
Okay, I understand you're
This
mad.
came into my fucking home.
Okay, I understand that you're mad.
No, you don't.
I'm
You can't make the
trying.
house out.
I'm
Fuck
trying to help you.
you. How are you helping? Let's throw a piece of paper.
You didn't even let him talk. You didn't even let him talk yet.
I
Let
don't
him
give a fuck.
talk.
What's next? I take your ass to jail.
Let him
In
talk.
order to do that, I need a statement
Oh,
from you.
yeah.
I saw her drop the pipe and
It don't
run.
matter what we saw. Mason
He's
doesn't
gonna
get
let
in
you
trouble.
sign 2 complaints if you get your camera
And,
up.
and I signed complaints on like
And then she'll go to
fucking-
Okay,
and then they'll let her
I
out.
can't help
I
what
can't help
happened
what
in the
they do.
past. I don't know what happened in the past. I
They'll
didn't
take
work
her to
that.
jail, and if they let
Yeah,
her
I'm
out,
sure
they let
she
her
will.
out.
I'm
There's
sure
nothing
they
we can
will.
do about
Sure
that.
they will.
That's not
Either you want my help or you don't.
344 East South Street.
Did you go down there and see if she's down there?
out of my control.
And talk to her why she come down here and did what she did?
If they let her out of jail, I can't help that.
They don't give a fuck.
Well, I don't know why you guys went down there to talk to her. And why she came down there.
I don't give a fuck.
She stole
You
that
You just told me that she drove off.
Yeah, but she's texting her now on her phone too.
Yeah, I told her I was home.
Is she here?
Is she down there at her apartment in the back again?
I don't know, but I told her I'm home. Come get her some. She ain't shit. Fucking ridiculous. If they'd be fucking arrested the last time when she stabbed Montana in the
I
fucking
can't
face.
help what happened in the
Maybe
past.
Shit, they wouldn't be this way.
I can't help
If
what
she
happened in the
I
past.
know, because y'all don't do shit.
Do you want my help or not?
Well, I'd rather you fucking take her to jail and do something.
Yes or no?
Yeah, but I'm not.
Okay.
What's the point of filling out a statement if you're not
Because
going
in
to do
order,
shit?
listen, I'm trying to help you. I can't help what happened in the past, but
Okay,
for
I get
this
that, but
instance,
she came into my
stop.
fucking home.
Let me talk and
You kiss
finish.
my ass to do your job!
I'm actually trying to.
No, you're fucking not!
Alrighty. This
My
is,
shit gets destroyed!
alright. How am I supposed to talk to her?
She just wants to keep yelling and screaming. He's trying to allow you to sign complaints. He's trying to allow you to sign complaints and you don't want to cooperate with him. So, okay, so you want us to do something or no, because he's giving you the option and you're saying no. And then you're saying, hold on, we're asking you, we're giving you the option, you're saying no, and then you're complaining that we're not doing anything.
Yeah, literally.
This is on you. If you want to do this, then do this. If you want to do this, but don't say that we're not doing it when you don't want to cooperate with them.
I'm
I'm the way fucking calls!
and I'm here trying to help.
He's giving you the option, and you're saying you don't want to do it.
She got one of her new boyfriends sent down her apartment.
That's what he's trying to do, actually.
Actually.
He's trying to get you to fill this stuff out to do it.
And what? What happens? You guys take Tony to jail? No. What? What's the address again? 344 East South Street.
I don't know.
I can't be any more clear.
Go get the forms, and if she wants to do it, then if she doesn't, we can't do anything. No,
Last time you guys did your job, fucking
Okay,
told
you're
me.
saying, okay, you keep saying this, that's fine. You have the right, listen, you have the right to say that, but when we ask you, do you want to do this, and then you say no, and we start to walk away, and you say you're not going to do your job anyways, you have to say yes.
I have to
This is, you have to sign complaints for this. This is your place.
Well, nothing. Yeah.
And if you're saying no, you can't get, what do you want? He can't sign it himself. You have to be the one to do it. And he's giving you the chance and you're telling him no.
How many she is back at home?
No.
No,
Max over there.
It's not
This
about...
is your decision right now.
He's
Either you
giving
want to
me the
press
option.
charges or you don't. Okay, well, then you're going to have to fill out the statement form and sign the complaint. Period.
You have to sign the... He's got the tickets right
Do
here.
it.
Just
Get
get
the
them.
fucking papers. Fucking,
I understand you're upset.
she came in my home.
I understand though.
She just, like, she should have went to jail before. And I was like, she
This
was
is the
telling
state
me
of
that.
Illinois.
Yeah, it's a
She's
joke.
not going to go to jail. We'll take her over there, but I promise you.
She's
they're
coming
letting-
right back out. It's
they're
not
letting her out.
aggravated. It's not fucking
That's
anything
okay.
bad.
I promise you. You know that. They're going to let her.
Yeah.
He'll give her the tickets. They're going to let her out.
Yep.
So don't go down there and do something.
Ashley,
what
come
is
here.
it? What is he going to do? You going to
Well, I don't know.
jail?
She had a fucking weapon in her hand. Does that make it aggravated? How do we know she was?
Aggravated.
She was.
Just
She
for
was.
the property.
Ashley.
But no, you know what I'm saying? You break property, it doesn't make it aggravated. You break property with a bat.
I mean, I know she had to fight for him. She's still ready for me, and I'm
But
like,
I don't. I'm sorry. This
I
pisses me off.
I'm trying to help you. I really am.
I'm sorry for yelling. I shouldn't yell. I'm sorry.
Over here.
Can you just sign where the X is at the bottom? Now, I'm telling you, I don't know what happened in the past. I really, really don't. This is my first time talking to you and meeting you. I can tell you I will do my job with your signed complaints that you want her to go to jail. I will take her to jail, okay? If I see her, she's going to jail. I have to see her first, and then when she gets to the jail, I can't make the determination factor that she's going to stay or leave. There's a good chance that she'll get out. I can't help that part. But on my side of things and what I can do, she will be charged, she will have to go to court, and she will have to answer for it, okay? Okay, do you have any questions for me?
No.
Okay.
I know. But it's October. I mean, the last time you called him on me was last year. And I got thrown out on the car.
Just keep in mind.
What?
And now you're yelling at me, so I come over here.
You're my favorite.
That's why she loves you.
I'm gonna talk over you if I gotta get something to say. All I'm trying to say is he's trying to do. He's
So now what happened?
he will do right by you. I
I
promise
guess
you.
it's because I work so hard.
So now what happened?
I know, but he will do right by you. I can't, like he said, we can't help it if they kick her loose. That's out of our control. You understand that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you heard it too.
Yeah, he said it sounded like dogs. Sounds like we got cougars around here. That's what it sounded.
It sounds like something's going
You
on.
asked if there's cougars. There's
All right.
one standing right here. Are you okay?
I'm good.
You want to go back to McDonald's? Are you sure about
I'm good. I explained everything to her. And do you have any questions
So
before we go?
what happens now?
So now I have 2 signed complaints from her. She's got the statement form. All she's got to do is fill it out in her words of what happened, what took place, beginning, middle, and end. And then when she shows up, she has to come back. She's going to go to jail. That part I can do. That's my part. I will take her. I can't tell the jail, hey, hold her. The jail's going to most likely let her go. However, she is going to have to go to court, and she is going to have to answer for it.
Front of it in here?
That's what I can do.
She's really going to love the fact because he's
With her signing that, that's where we go. If she didn't, then there's nothing else I could have done. If she didn't want to sign complaints or make a statement form, this would have ended right here, and we just would have walked.
Right.
But I get it. She's upset. She feels that her place was violated.
You're gonna come out here with us and say something.
Because I yelled at her.
You've seen her in here, so.
Yeah, 'cause
I
asked
still
her
have
what
the
fuck
camera,
she's
but-
doing, and she-
Do you have a number I can send them to when I charge that one and they'll send the footage to?
I don't know.
So I don't know what the PD. If you call up there, they'll give you a number.
Okay.
So I don't have a clue.
He's gonna give you a statement too.
Okay.
So you actually seen her in there, right? You seen her leaving the house?
Yeah, she was coming out.
Okay, perfect.
You
That's
seen
why
her
I called.
you seen her getting there?
The officer's demand for a signed statement was process, not avoidance. In a property case where the accused was gone, a clear statement locks the timeline, damage witnesses, and request for prosecution. Without that, even a real complaint can weaken fast. The officer reacted with restraint, but could have explained the process earlier. The resident had a real safety concern, but threats of payback created legal risk. Human thinking understands rage after a home is violated. The counter-argument is that retaliation can make a victim look like a defendant. Lesson 1. Document before arguing. Lesson 2. Never threaten payback when police are building a case. Lesson 3. Video and a clean statement protect rights better than shouting. The law does not ask who sounds angriest. It asks what can be proven.